customizing your drink.
You'll use every one of these in a real cafe. Slow first, fast at the end.
What kind of milk would you like? What kind of milk would you like?
Do you have oat milk? Do you have oat milk?
We do. Oat, almond, and soy. We do. Oat, almond, and soy.
Oat milk, please. Oat milk, please. Could I get an extra shot? Could I get an extra shot?
Sure. So that's a double shot? Sure. So that's a double shot?
Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly.
You got it. You got it.
Could you make it not too hot? Could you make it not too hot?
Of course. Extra hot. Or just warm. Of course. Extra hot. Or just warm.
Just warm is perfect. Just warm is perfect.
No problem. No problem. Would you like any sugar or syrup? Would you like any sugar or syrup?
Just 1 pump of vanilla, please. Just 1 pump of vanilla, please.
1 vanilla. Anything else? 1 vanilla. Anything else?
That's everything. That's everything. Can I make that decaf? Can I make that decaf?
Sure. Half calf or full decaf? Sure. Half calf or full decaf?
Full decaf, please. Full decaf, please.
Got it. No caffeine. Got it. No caffeine.
Actually, can you make it a large? Actually, can you make it a large?
Of course. Anything else to change? Of course. Anything else to change?
No, that's perfect. No, that's perfect.
Coming right up. Coming right up.
Do you have oat milk? What kind of milk would you like? Could I get an extra shot? You got it. Could you make it not too hot? Just warm is perfect. Just 1 pump of vanilla. That's everything. Can I make that decaf? Full decaf, please. Can you make it a large? Coming right up.